We read about blizzards. What is a blizzard? A blizzard is no ordinary snowstorm. It lasts at least 3 hours and has winds that blow 35 miles, 56 kilometers, per hour or more. The blowing snow cuts visibility to 1/4 mile, 1/2 kilometer, or less. Frozen fact: low visibility makes it easy to get lost outside during a blizzard. People have died just a few yards away from the safety of their homes. How do some blizzards form? Blizzards begin with storm clouds. Warm and cold air masses meet to make these clouds. The lighter, warm air rises above the heavier, cold air. Winds form. Freezing temperatures in the air turn the clouds' water vapor to snow. Wind and snow combine to form the blizzard. Warm air, cold air. What is a ground blizzard? Ground blizzards form from snow already on the ground. A strong cold front moves through the area. The cold front creates high winds that pick up the snow. Frozen fact: a nor'easter is a storm that begins along North America's eastern coast. Nor'easters are strongest from September to April and have caused some of the worst blizzards in the United States. In the nor'easter of March 2018, winds reached up to 93 miles, 150 kilometers per hour in Massachusetts. Where do blizzards happen? A blizzard can happen almost anywhere in the world. Parts of Canada, Russia, and China often have blizzards. So do Japan, Iran, and the United Kingdom. Blizzards happen everywhere in the United States except along the California and Gulf of Mexico coasts. Frozen fact: parts of the northern plains have more blizzards than the rest of the United States. This area has so many blizzards that it has been nicknamed Blizzard Alley. In 2008, winter storms in China killed at least 129 people. Why is a blizzard dangerous? Drifting snow blocks roads and causes car accidents. Blowing snow can become a whiteout that makes it impossible to see. People caught outside lose their way. The extreme cold causes frostbite and hypothermia. What damage can a blizzard do? A blizzard's high winds sometimes knock out power and heat. Water pipes may freeze and burst in the cold. Heavy snow may cause roofs to collapse. Frozen fact: blowing snow can create mounds called snowdrifts. Some snowdrifts have been measured at 50 feet, 15.2 meters tall. The world's deadliest blizzard. The Iran blizzard of 1972 lasted a week. It dumped as much as 26 feet, 7.9 meters of snow that buried entire villages in the country of Iran. About 4,000 people died in the below-zero temperatures that came with the heavy snow. Frozen fact: the Children's Blizzard of 1888 was one of the deadliest blizzards in the U.S. It killed 235 people, including children on their way home from school. 1. Rescue party at Huron, bound together by ropes, searching for missing children. 2. A schoolmistress compels a pupil to walk all night to prevent freezing. 3. Another brave teacher shelters one of her pupils from the storm. Predicting a blizzard. Weather satellites and radar track storm fronts. Computers help analyze the information. Forecasters look at all the data and decide if a blizzard is likely. They send out a blizzard warning online, on TV, and on the radio when conditions are right. The North American blizzard of 1996 paralyzed the east coast of the U.S. and cost $3 billion in damages. Staying safe during a blizzard. Gather emergency supplies such as food, water, blankets, and flashlights when a blizzard warning goes out. Plan to stay indoors and do not try to travel. If the power goes out, keep warm with layers of clothing and blankets, and wear a hat and mittens indoors. Glossary: air masses, large bodies of air. Cold front: the zone where a cold air mass is replacing a warm air mass. Frostbite: damage done to part of the body by freezing. Hypothermia: a serious condition caused by dangerously low body temperature. Radar: a way to find things by reflecting radio waves off them and receiving the reflected waves. Radar is an abbreviation for radio detection and ranging. Visibility: the distance a person can see as a result of weather conditions. Water vapor: water in the form of a gas. Whiteout: a blizzard that reduces visibility to almost zero. After reading questions. 1. How long must a snowstorm last to be called a blizzard? 2. What is a ground blizzard? 3. What can happen to drivers during a blizzard? 4. How can blizzards damage buildings? 5. What tools help forecasters predict blizzards?